Yeah, so there's people outside, so I just sneezed. Oh my gosh, so I got hers. This has been sitting for weeks. Oh no, I mean days, not weeks. I'm behind with creating content. Where's my scissors? Let me open it right now. So this is from Maely's. I received this for free. It's a gifted collab. I'm not getting paid for it. Okay. This is their newest Acne body collection. I know, and if you struggle with acne, Backne, well, this is gonna be good for you. Because this is literally what it's for. Okay, so so I already know what it is because they sent me an email saying, wait, does it say Maely's? Yes, I think. Yeah, Maely's. So they recently launched. So let's see. Okay, I have a big box. Okay. This is kind of heavy. Damn. Hold up. So the box is still wet. Look, it's very wet because it was raining and it was sitting outside for I don't know how long. And I let it dry for days, but it's still wet. Like wet. Anyways, so imagine it's moldy now. Okay, so anyways. Ta-da! Ooh, it's still wet. Okay, so let's see. Wait, I'm taking forever. It's cool. It's a cute box. Okay. Wow, it comes with this storage. Okay, so wow, I think you can keep this. Look, it's like a pretty pink. It reminds me of Clueless. Wow, it's like Barbie vibes. Wow, what is this? Let me see. Oh, the products. So these are the 3 products in case you want to see the names, the ingredients, and all of that. So that's the brand's name. Alright. Screenshot. Okay, so it says rumor has it. Get it? That's cute. Like, rumor has it. Is it Innolag Duolingo Innolag Innovative Inner ellipsis grammar vocabulary word. Girl, I've read the word that hypnosis. No, that's it. Girl, I'll probably put the word here. Anyways, whatever. So we came out with 3 poppin' acne products. Pun intended, literally. And we know you're gonna love them. Consider this your go-to kit for eliminating acne and preventing future breakouts, which I need. I'm using right now the Panoxyl Acne 10% wash, and that one's working, but it's small and you have to use it daily for it to work, so you have to keep repurchasing. So I'm glad I got this in time because I'm running out of the body wash. So I hope this one works too. Let's see, because these are new products that they've launched, so there's literally no reviews. Nobody knows if it's gonna work on them. So wow. Oop, I made a mess with it. Oh, it looks like a restroom. Wow. It's so cute. Look. It's so cute. Look, the mirror, the sink, the shower, that's it's so cute. I love the blue and the pink. Oh, what does it say there? And preventing future break. Oh, wow. let me fix this first. The display, wow, they literally win me over with the display, because what the heck, this is new. I've never seen this PR before. Wow. Okay, I need to stop, but I just can't stop staring at it again. Okay, so the first product is Be Lucid. So this is a targeted body acne gel. Okay, so I think this one's just a gel. It says apply a thin layer onto your chest and booty, because you don't act like you don't get acne pimples down there. Everybody does. Well, most people do. Don't tell me that you don't. Quit lying. It's normal. And this is to massage it into the skin and circular motions until fully absorbed. So you have to use this twice a day for best results. So, ooh, I just love it. The color. Okay, let me see. I don't want to see the color. Wait, maybe I'll swatch it, but not right now. Okay, the next thing is this Get Back Targeted Body Acne Spray. Ooh, this is cool. So this is a spray. I've never heard or seen a acne spray before for your body or your face. There. Okay, so the directions, you just spray it all over your back and areas that you can't really reach. So yeah, I've noticed that that's why a lot of people get acne. I feel like, especially me, because it's hard to exfoliate properly and wash your back because you can't really see certain spots. So this is a spray, and it's good to, you know, spray it everywhere, wherever it's hard for you to reach, you know. So yay, wow, they actually thought everything through. I wouldn't think to use a spray for that, but yeah, it is gonna be helpful. I don't know. Oh, it's weird. So it is a spray too. It's just like this. I don't know, packaged like this. Anyways, I should say, okay, so the next thing is the Get Gone Acne Body Cleanser. It's okay. This is, I think, what you use to shower with. Yeah, your body with. So this is the body cleanser, and yeah, whenever you shower, you use this. And you can use your hands or your loofah or whatever. So yeah, this is cool. So it comes out with like this pump. Alright, so far that's all they sent me, just 3 products, which I'm guessing you use the cleanser first, and then you're gonna use the acne gel, and then the spray. I think it doesn't say the directions yet. I'm gonna have to look at their website or Instagram more. But basically you use all of these together and it helps with your acne. We'll see. I'm gonna try and do this before and after results, maybe, if I can take pictures, because it's hard to take pictures by yourself and from your back, you know. So I'm gonna try to do those pictures. I'm gonna try to use these for a month and see if they actually work on me. We'll see. I wish I would use it when I had like more severe Backne, but since I'm using another product, it's not gonna be so bad. But I don't know. We'll see. Wow, so far I love their products. They look so pretty. The packaging, I can't. Maely thought of us because they know we get acne. Oh my gosh, I'm acne prone, so this came through. Oh my gosh, I really needed this, so I'm happy I got it, because I can't. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much it. I can't really talk more about it do a review. I haven't tried the products. I just wanted to mainly unbox it today and show ya because I just can't. Look at that. It even has her name, Maely, in the mirror. Like, so cute. I'm gonna keep this one, but I don't have space, so I'm sad if I have to throw it away because no, I'm gonna have to find space because I really don't. It's so cute. I feel like you can play with your little Barbies here, or if you collect Barbies. Girl, I don't care if I'm a grown adult. I probably, if I had money, I would collect certain toys. People collect plushies now, so maybe you can put them here. I don't know. But it's just so cute. I can't. Okay. Okay, so anyways, thank you, Maely. I can't wait for me. Can't wait to try these products out. I'm so happy. I really, really need it. I just can't. The package, everything's so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, anyways, bye. Thanks for watching. Hey, as you can see, that my before and after results, it works. Definitely check it out. I love this product and I will definitely keep using it. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.